today I'm gonna show you what I cooked for the week and for today. I'm going to be meal prepping and I'm also going to just be making my lunch, and we're actually gonna cook for dinner something else as well. So for lunch, I'm going to make tuna for my fiance, and I was craving these Mexican zucchini. It's basically zucchini in a tomato sauce, and then you add sour cream and queso fresco on it, and I'm gonna eat it with tortillas, and I've been craving it, so it's gonna be so good. And then for dinner, we're gonna have some steak sourdough sandwiches, which the steak, we cook it in the air fryer. And then for my meal prep that I'm gonna do, I am going to do air fried tilapia, and then also do some veggies. I might bake them in the oven since the air fryer might be a bit busy. So we'll see how it goes. I'll show you guys everything. I thought it might be an interesting video so you guys could kind of get an idea of what you guys could make, and I'll take you guys along through my day. So right now it's my lunchtime. I'm gonna quickly do the tuna and then chop up the veggies for the Mexican zucchini meal. Gotta try it. Next, I'm gonna prep the veggies for my tilapia meal prep. I finished my lunch and I have a couple minutes. I think I can probably get some stuff done. I'm gonna do the potatoes in the oven, and I could just be checking on them while I work. And then also, if I can marinate the fish and air fry it, I can get that going, and while I work, I can check on these things. As long as I prep everything right now while I'm still on my lunch. So, let me cut these veggies and marinate the defrosted tilapia. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys got some good ideas on different meals you could do, meal prep ideas, just quick lunch ideas. I'm all set up for the week. I usually do vlog videos. If you want to check those out, you could subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.